Welcome everyone. Our today's topic is energy level diagram for hydrogen. In this topic we will discuss two things. First thing the diagram and other things the various spectral series. As we have already derived this formula, that is the energy formula, the energy of electron in nth orbit. If we put z equals to 1 here, then we can get the formula for hydrogen, and these are various constants, so we can put the value of various constant also, and we can find the simplified formula in joules. And if we want to convert it in electron volt, so we can convert it in electron volt, so the formula will be this one. From this formula we can get the energy in a particular orbit by putting the value of that n, What is minus sign shows here? This minus sign represent that the energy of electron is bound to the nucleus energy by means of, you can say, electrostatic attraction. Means if you want to pull out the electron, you have to do some work. This is energy level diagram in which energy is written in electron volt. Suppose for n equals to 1, put n equals to 1, this will be minus 13.6 electron volt. For n equals to 2, put n equals to 2, so it will be minus 13.6 upon 2 ka square means 4, so it will be minus 3.4 and so on. Whenever electron make a transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, it emits out some energy in the form of photon, and it has a particular frequency and wavelength. Let's see what is it exactly. Here electron comes from second state to first state, third to first, fourth to first. Whenever an electron comes from transit from higher energy level, that can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, and comes to first, n is equal to 1, mean n1 is equal, whenever n1 equals to 1, and n2 can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that series is known as Lyman series. For Balmer, n1 equals to 2 and n2 can be 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. For Paschen, when n1 equals to 3, n2 can be higher than 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. For bracket, n1 equals to 4, n2 can be 5, 6, 7 and so on. For bracket, after bracket it is Pfund. For Pfund, if n1 equals to 5, then n2 should be 6, 7 and so on. So we can say from here, whenever it shows Lyman series, whether the Balmer, Paschen, bracket or Pfund, then it is emitting some kind of photon, and that has a particular frequency or wavelength. So that frequency in the case of Lyman comes in ultraviolet region. In the case of Balmer comes in visible region. In the case of Paschen, bracket and Pfund, that frequency or wavelength, you can say, comes in the range of infrared. Fine. This is all about the spectral series and energy level diagram. Thank you.